How to send a PDF file in Messenger app. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video of 1-2 step. If you have tried sending in PDF messages on Messenger, you would have seen that there is no options. You can either send in photo or video messages, but there is no option of sending in files within the app of Messenger. You can easily send in PDF files using the website of Facebook, but in the case of the Messenger app, you cannot do that. So for this, we're going to take the help of a third-party application, which is Google Drive. You can easily send in these PDF files to Google Drive, and then you can send in this link to other people. So first of all, head over to the PDF file that you want to send in. Select the file and tap on Send, and select the Google Drive option. Select your Google account and select the My Drive option and tap on Save on the top right. You can also name this PDF file whatever you want and tap on Save on the top right. Now once this file has been uploaded, you can open up your Google Drive and head over to the file that you just sent in. In my case, this is the file, and just tap on the three dots right here and tap on Manage Access. By default, not anyone can view this file even if you send in this link, so tap on the Change option, tap on Restricted, and tap on Anyone with the link. Once the access has been selected, now you can head back, tap on the three dots again, and tap on Copy Link. Now this time you can send in this link in Messenger. Open up the chat and just paste in the link, and this link will be sent through Messenger, and when the other person taps on it, they can easily view the PDF file and even download it. So that's the benefit of using Google Drive to send in PDF files using Messenger. So that was the process of sending in PDF files in Messenger. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video useful. I'm gonna be back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.